Hey guys, Crewman here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install your Purock 3 Black cooler from Be Quiet. Now, Be Quiet has priced this cooler to basically rival anything on the market at $35. So I think a lot of beginning PC builders will be picking this cooler up, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install it. So first we're going to do a quick unboxing. It comes with the manual, the brackets you need, and then we're going to remove the top, and it comes with the cooler. That's it. It's no frills, no chills. It's really nice that it has this piece of styrofoam to keep everything safe. And you can see right here it has a thermal paste coating, so you don't even need to buy any thermal paste. This thing really does come with everything. So in this video we're going to show you how to install this cooler on to this motherboard. So the first thing you're going to need to do, always check the manual if you have any questions. But, you know, some people learn better via watching videos over reading manuals. So that's what this video is for. You can see the bags. It shows Intel, which we do not need for this one. We're going with AMD. All right, so basically this is going to be super simple. First step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take these 4 plastic nubs. You're going to want to put them in the motherboard like so. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it. Right here. Alright, and then the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the AMD box baggie. It actually shows you exactly where these things go. So then you're going to want to put the CPU right here. You're going to want to put those screws in. And you're just going to want to kind of test fit them first. Always test fit everything just to make sure that it works. Everything should line up with no problem. So you're going to want to do that for all 4. And then we're going to just screw it in after all the test fits are done with this handy dandy screwdriver, which I'll put on a link down below on Amazon. Alright, so then the next step you're going to want to do is you're probably going to want to make sure that the logo goes the way you're going to be putting your cooler on the motherboard. And this is really nice because you can see that everything lines up exactly, and the entire cooler and the entire CPU is making contact. So you're going to want to screw one side in a little bit, and then you're going to want to screw another in, and then you're going to rotate left and then right, or right then left. And then you're just going to go eventually until they're in. Now you can see everything is in. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the single fan, and that's up to you how you want to set the airflow. Now you can if you aren't sure how the airflow goes, the easiest way to do it is basically just feel where, spin it, and then you'll feel which side the air is coming from. So essentially we're going to put the fan this way because we want it to blow air into the cooler and not extract air out. And you're going to take these 2 things that come with it, these mounting things, I don't even know what they're called, and you're going to want to put them in like so, and you're going to want to put one in, and then you're going to hold it, and you're going to put the other one in, and you're going to put them in just like that, and they're going to stick. And then the final thing you're going to want to do is you're going to look for the CPU cooler on the motherboard, the 4-pin, and then you're going to connect, it's called CPU fan on the motherboard, and it's right here. And then you're going to connect the 4-pin, and that's it. You're done. Now, obviously, you can do cable management however you want, but that is it. And that is it. And this cooler is on, and it fits perfectly. And like I said, at 35 bucks, you really can't beat this thing. So that's it for the install guide on this for AMD. Maybe I'll do another video on Intel in the future, but I can't promise it as I don't really have any Intel CPUs I'm working with right now. But shout out to Be Quiet for shooting this over to me. And this cooler is great. It's effective, and it's probably going to be a staple of the PC building industry for years to come. So hope this helped, and enjoy building your first PC. Peace out.